Following is a presentation of our Thanksgiving Day on 1989, November 23rd. Going into the kitchen now, see some of the preparations of the Thanksgiving dinner. Of course, the traditional bird has already started to be carved up, as well as nibbled on. Some of the other preparations are here in the kitchen that Judy and Beatrice have taken care of. And here comes the main cook right here, and her helper, Deborah.
Happy
Along with
Thanksgiving.
that, yes, happy Thanksgiving.
Hot stuff coming
through. And here comes Beatrice. Well, she said hot stuff coming through, and here comes Beatrice. I'm not sure exactly what that means.
The corn's warm too.
The corn's warm too, besides Mrs. McPherson. Going into our living room here by the wonderful fireplace and a evening with Deborah. And here is the great Thanksgiving feast with all of us ready to eat. Not only that, the bird's getting laid out too. Pretty soon, all will be ready for our Thanksgiving Day feast. I can't wait. This will be our second one today.
But the best one today. Thanksgiving dinner.
Just about ready to get going.
Christmas and the Salvation Army.
Be careful how much I get here. It's too much to eat. It's supposed to be hot.
You have to have